Hey guys, welcome back. Vern Today, my VIP and I are going to head to a waterfall. So I will introduce you to that person and should be having a good time. We're going to have a car to use today and I'm just waiting for them to drop it off. So here we go. Hey Vern. Look at this lovely Cagayan de Oro Valley area. Look at that area. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that. So we're headed to the waterfalls and this is what we see.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree, how different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow if we both know.
Straight? What the heck?
Oh my God.
See, this guy's gonna go? Should be okay? Yeah. Oh my god, you guys. Probably be okay.
Oh my goodness.
How deep is it? Let's see. I think it's okay.
Now it's almost like rendering us stubborn. It just cuts us deeply through.
Yeah, we're okay. Now I've got car wash. Alright. Adventures in the Philippines. Yeah, we had a heavy rain last night, so that's why the roads are kind of funky. It's pretty in this area though. Looks like they're doing a little bit of river work here. Must have had a landslide. They gotta fix the river bank. Welcome to San Isidro. Isidro. That's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say that next. Is here. Real simple folks. Down the road, dog. This is way out in the middle of nothing. There's so many people here. I'm really surprised. How do they all find work? Are they farming? Alright guys, we're headed in. Welcome to Sagpulon Falls, sponsored by Price Gas of Cagayan de Oro. Alright guys, I have my special VIP I want to introduce you to. And she's very, very sweet, very guapa. And I've known her for about 6 years. And she is shy. So let's say hello to my MVP. This is Elvie. This is Elvie. She's lovely, right? Hello Elvie. Nice to see you. Thank you for taking me here today.
It's been what, 2 years that you wanted to come here, right?
It's been 2 years I wanted to come here to see you. And I told her, I say, I will come and see you. I will come. So here we go, you guys. We're going up. I'll show you where we're at. It just rained like crazy the last day or so. So the river's really blown out. Looks like somebody's doing wash in the distance. Oh, this bridge is really moving. You feel that? Are you moving my bridge? I see you moving my bridge. She's giving it some mounts. Little drama. Look at these big boulders, you guys. All right. Oh, I got some stairs to go up. It's my first time here, you guys. I've never been here. Didn't know anything about this place. So what can you tell us about this place? Have you been here many times?
Yeah, I think it's like 3 times now.
3 times?
Yeah.
Okay.
Before they closed this because there is somebody drowned.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. How long was it closed for?
I don't know, I'm not really sure.
Okay.
But yeah.
Ah. All right, there's a road for you, huh? Look at that dude. That's kind of funny, all these little houses up in here. Oh, you want to live off the grid? This is off the frickin' grid. So these are the folks that are doing their wash on the rocks. Look at how they do that old school. Just lay everything on the rocks. The rocks hold the heat and they dry out your clothes. I'll show you here in a minute. Yeah, laundry day. There you go. It's their laundromat. That is, oh, they got a little sari too. It's all in one. Self-contained. Look at the big rocks here. God, they're just massive. It's real pretty in here though. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. That is great. That is impressive. The stairway, not so much. But that waterfalls, yeah. That's beautiful. All right, I gotta watch the stairs here. She's coming. She's coming. So this is the first real road trip since being back in the Philippines, you guys. Wow, I gotta give you a 360 here. This is pretty nice. It's nice, huh? That's where we came up. Very dense jungle. All right, let's go. Rock and roll. Oh, watch your step. Just gotta be real careful in here. A little bit of muddy places also. Wow, that waterfalls is really something looking at it from here. Look at that. Wow. It's just straight up there too, you guys. It's almost 90 degrees. 90-degree drop. Wow. That's really something. Just gonna give you the full shot here. Oh, they even swim here. That's gorgeous. What do you think, Guapa? It's nice? Ah, very nice, huh? Like you. See how the wind is kind of displacing to the sides? It's really pushing a lot of air downward as that water comes down to the ground. Pretty amazing. You see the mist. See, it's all misting all over you guys. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, superstars. All right, so we're in the moment here at the waterfalls. I'm making her laugh. Did you like the waterfalls? Was it flop? Was it beautiful?
Yeah.
Like you, right? You are not kidding.
Char.
Char. So we had a good time, you guys. It's a nice place. If you get a chance, come on up here. We had a really good time. So very therapeutic, good place to just sit, just chill out. I'll come here again, you guys. I give it 2 thumbs up.
4 or 5.
Oh, 4 or 5 for her. All right, you guys. We'll see you next time. All right, guys. You always want me to find some hot chicks. There's some hot chicks. There you go. So if you like these chicks, you're a chick boy. You're a real chick boy. Here's a little chick for you. Hello, chicks. And a chick here, and a chick there. Here a chick, there a chick. Everywhere a chick.
Hey, Vern.